so I'm very hungry, Ayya.
There is nothing to cook here, Nanga. I have an online presentation to do.
Too much up. We need to prepare for it. We should add some point for the presentation.
It takes a long time to go to the shop and bring food. Other thing is today's holiday.
We can't go anywhere because we both have to do a presentation. Oh shit, this is a big problem now. Okay, doesn't matter. We can order it online. Shall we?
Okay, fine, bro.
Okay, Ayya. Our time is also saved. No effort, easy.
Good morning, Mrs. Shirley. I'm from CE Rental Hiring. I'm calling you to asking about our payment.
Actually, I can't settle down your payment because of today is a holiday. The banks are closed.
Which bank are you dealing with?
It's People's Bank.
Be updated, Mrs. Now. You can download the People's Pay app and settle down all the payments from it.
Okay, give me a few minutes and I will try it.
If you use the online banking, you will be able to save the time and you don't want to run after the bank.
Okay, sure, I will settle down your payment immediately.
Okay, wait a minute. I will call you back.
I have to tell you something.
Yeah, tell me what is it.
We can't go outside because of lockdown, honey.
Yes, so?
So, honey, aren't we buy any clothes for the Christmas?
That's true.
Another thing is, we should buy some gifts for our families, honey. We have big problems in that situation.
Yes. Carry on. What are we doing for that?
Yeah, I have an option, but
Don't worry, honey. I have an option. One of my friend has a shop. We can make purchase on Instagram
really?
because it is familiar place to us and reasonable, and also quality is super.
Oh, you are super cute, honey. Let's do it.
Not enough. Also, you can pay online in 3 installments. It's good for my wallet too.
Oh, wow. You are so updated now. Let's go.